she's a student, she's a content creator, and she believes in spending her money and efforts like you in dawah. So she's asking what efforts she can do to become a daiyah, in short.
Sister, when you are a content creator, you have to be careful what ladies do dawah on the social media. They can do, but they should not break any rules of the Sharia. Like sometimes I see ladies doing dawah, they come and do makeup and they record video cassettes. This is against the rule of hijab. So you should maintain your hijab, but maintaining hijab doesn't mean that you can wear a scarf, do makeup, wear lipstick and come and make videos and all. My wife is a daiyah, mashallah. She gives lectures. She gives lectures exclusively to the ladies, but she doesn't agree in taking videos. Audio is okay, but not video. So we should see to it that we do not break the rules of the Sharia while doing dawah. There are various ways you can do dawah. You can have program exclusive for the ladies, no problem. And you can do on the social media, you can be good with the pen, etc. But see to it that you don't break the rules of the hijab. And regarding knowledge of comparative religion or how to convince a non-Muslim, you can refer to our course, Let's Become Effective Dais on Al-Hidayah platform. It's absolutely free. It shows you how to do dawah to the non-Muslim. Hope that answers the question.